Hello again. We are right back where we left off, of course. I've been having fun. I probably won't do a lot of this without other people's knowledge. I did just finish my last recording. I'll probably do a lot of these in a row. Oh. Well, it doesn't help if my game crashes. Sorry about that. Give me a minute. Okay, back. My game definitely does have a habit of crashing, and fuck. Well, I guess I gotta go find my train. I think it's down this hall. Decided to I wouldn't upload the video in the background as well. Hopefully that doesn't also cause my game to crash, especially because of the shaders. I feel like if I just turned off the shaders, a lot of my problems would be solved. I'm starting to have way too much stuff on hand. So I always get like this. I always get like this in my Minecraft worlds. Oh. Yeah, I'll get stuff like a bag, and I'll run around. Well, I mean, I guess I can postpone it. Just gotta smelt some copper. And there's my train, so. I suppose we'll be waiting for a little bit, so. How's everyone doing? Hope that, hope everyone's been doing good. It's like spring as of me making this. 6 in the morning, almost. My sleep schedule is super screwed up. Half of why I play this is for the ambiance. I always enjoy looking around and seeing the world. It really seems like it doesn't matter where you look, it'll always look, well, beautiful. Oh yeah, once I get settled and once I actually, upload these videos and people have a chance to respond and give actual feedback, I'd love to see if anyone has any ideas for goals or something similar. Love to have ideas of stuff to do and other things to accomplish, because, I mean, per usual, I don't really have any idea. Usually I just go in and have fun. So for now, that's kind of my goal. Go in, have fun, collect things, see things, and just experience. I have a lot of worlds. Technically, this is a derivative pack of 5, 6, 7 other packs. Oftentimes with other things. I know some of my earlier packs had stuff like dimensional doors, pneumatic tents. Lots of really fun things. I've always enjoyed being nomadic, but I know at the very least I did whenever I had my run with nomadic tents. I always felt a little lost, I guess. Maybe not always, but I usually did. Whenever my only goal is wander around and collect things, it definitely does get boring after a while. I mean, hell, who knows? This is probably going to be another one of those projects. Whoops. Another one of those things that I start, that I get 2 or 3 episodes into, and then, you know, you'll never hear from me again for another few months. I do hope I can be a little more active. Do a little more. I'm doing this all kinds of backwards. It's like it's fun to do things. I've always dreamed of creating. I've always enjoyed creating. But it's always hard for me to finish a creation. I can try and make, and I can try, I can get about halfway to 75% of the way done, but I tend to lose that spark pretty fast. Some things keep me coming back, though. I mean, hell, yet again, this is a derivative pack of many, many different versions of, well, this. Nomadically running around and gathering things. Some stuff stays the same, stuff like create and scorched guns. I mean, hell, the start of this pack actually started with just pretty much, yeah, I wanted create, and I wanted scorched guns, and I wanted farmer's delight. And there was like a small handful of other things that were little quality of life things, like little joys, and I mean, hell, Tinker's Construct wasn't even the first one. At first I started without Tinkers. Tinkers used to be my favorite. Oh. My laptop charging cable is going. Sometimes I gotta move it around and reposition the cable so it actually charges. At least I've got a handful of positions that I can try. Maybe I should make a Ko-fi or Patreon or something. Go start a Kickstarter for, hey, can people give me like $130 or something to get a new laptop cable? Almost makes me wonder if people would donate. Probably not. I mean, I can hope. Maybe I'll get enough traction. It's uncouth of me to be begging my audience. So yeah, truth be told, whenever I've started my YouTube stuff, whenever I've thought about it, I've always wanted to make money off of YouTube. But that's never been, like, my first and foremost thought. I wanted to make money off of YouTube, but, I mean, overall, I do just enjoy creating. And if people enjoy watching me fuck around and make horrible decisions, you know what, I think I'm here for it. Well, it's just about time to get back on track. But I'm just debating on other tools to make. Can't make arrowheads. You know something that I miss? I miss old Tinker's Construct arrows and shurikens. There's javelins in this version too. But personally, I prefer to disable the ability to throw them. Because I like being able to modify my arrows better. I like crafting like one big set of arrows and then having like special arrows for all the time. Now I just prefer to use Crystal Shot, which... so fun. And then, yeah, you can actually choose which crystals. Amethyst, Earth Slime, Ender Slime, Ichor, Quartz, my personal favorite, Random. Love Random. You know, I still don't actually have a Crystal Shot bow in any of my saves. Oh, there's this guy. There's this pack. Damn it, what was it called again? Desolate Planet. It's like the spiritual successor to Crash Landing. If anyone here knows of Crash Landing. Crash Landing used to be my favorite pack. It was a hardcore survival pack where you and a questionable amount of friends end up crashing on a planet in a spaceship. Uh, uh... That's not supposed to happen. That was supposed to keep generating more track, Is gone? Where train? Shit. Well. There it is. Kinda. Can I get back on the train is the question. Well, I've got a lot of questions, actually. Can I get back on the train? Is the train completely broken? Has this Untold Railways playthrough suddenly lost its goddamn train? As you might guess, the train is pretty important. At the very least, if I lose this train, I guess it would definitely give me an objective. Give me a path to follow. Please don't count as derailed. Oh, thank God. Okay, well, at least it means we can start revisiting places. Seeing as how this side appears to not want to work. It definitely has its issues. But hey, people that do this stuff for free, usually. Whoops. And I mean, overall, I'm pretty happy with this mod. I absolutely love Untold Railways. Because, you know, it also just kind of gives like a set highway, you know? I think that's always one of the big things for me in like these packs and in this stuff that I do. Because I always find it a little difficult to want to settle down somewhere. Because it's like, why settle down when there's so much more to explore? I don't want to settle down when, you know, for all I know, I could go visit like another biome, another area, and see something and think, damn, I really wish I had settled down here instead. So much cool world to explore. So much lag. So much lag to be had. I'm sure my recording software is not helping. Reminds me of all the bitching I see about laptops. Yeah, I'm far enough into the video, I think I'm okay to start swearing some. I've got this friend. He is a friend. He mostly just teases me about it. But like anytime I have any sort of laptop issues, they usually go, well, you know, you could just get a PC. You just get a desktop. Personally, I find it just more comfortable to use laptops. Especially because I'm a cretin. And, the way that I use my laptop is laying in bed. You know, honestly, if I had the option, if I had the capabilities, I would hardwire a laptop to the wall. Like, because like I never unplug this thing. I only unplug it whenever I like go to bed. What does experienced mean? I suppose I should figure that out. My guess is it's like mending. Oh no, it's gain bonus XP from things. I mean, I think that works. I do have to wonder though. I forget if there is mending in this. Medning. Nope. Huh. Did they remove the auto repair stuff? Because I remember, like, mending moss. I remember some old Tinker's Construct stuff. I remember, mending moss with, I would use... Jeez. Okay, why is this not working? I would use mending moss with, I really don't know why this isn't working. Anyway, right. Nether, mending moss. I would make a giant copper hammer with a bunch of haste, electrum pieces, mending moss, copper pieces, and then I'd just blast through netherrack. Because in old Tinker's Construct, if you had copper on your tools, it made it so that even blocks that don't normally drop XP have a chance of dropping XP. And with electrum, it would give me haste. So then I'd be able to just start blasting through a bunch of blocks. Okay, well, this is clearly not working. Once again, ding ding ding, Untold Railways person. If you're watching this, which I doubt you are, but if you are, I am flattered, frankly. But yeah, your generation appears to have a few hang-ups sometimes. Oh, well, you're never gonna believe this. It crashed again. This is gonna be a reoccurring issue. Well, I'll be right back. Getting back to it. Oh, please don't crash again. One of these days I'll get a better computer. Damn it, are you... oh well. Means we get to do more walking. Do more gazing upon the world. If anything, I hope people can find some good wallpapers from me looking around in F1. 'Cause it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I suppose I should settle down sometime soon. It is getting to that point. You know, I'm curious now if my game crashing would fix that tunnel. I can't be bothered. Hmm. Through the village that got completely ruined by this generation. Oh, no! No! Oh, God! Oh, God, I've killed him. Actually, I don't think he died. That was just a damage sound. I certainly hit that man with my train. I do love this little corkscrew, though. It's very cute. And it crashed again. Well, uh... I'll try again. But I may end up, uh... I may end up just stopping. Sorry, sorry my quality has taken a massive nosedive. Uh, I'll see you when I boot it back up again. Okay, take 3? 4? I can't really remember. We'll fix it all up eventually. I think my computer is also due for a restart. I'm back here again. Well, I'm pretty sure the train's even further away now. Um, I'll just walk for a bit. Clay is important. For lots of things, actually. You know, it's kind of funny, actually, because clay really isn't all that important. Like, in Minecraft, you normally use clay for bricks and flower pots, terracotta, I guess. Mostly just decoration. But, like, in modded stuff, often mods need clay. Whether it be clay soldiers, which, I mean, I guess it's not, like, made for clay soldiers, but, clay soldiers, clay. But, like, stuff like Tinker's Construct. You need clay to make the smeltery. You need clay to... Well, that's really it. Making the smeltery. And then in, cold sweats, for instance. Clay is one of the things that you can put in the, in ice boxes to make things colder. Ugh. You know, with as much as I like cold sweats, I do have some issues with it. Personally, I dislike water skins. They just feel really bland to me. Making water skins to serve as insulating things. Oh, whoops. Hold on. I gotta be right back. Okay, I return. Well, not like y'all know much of the difference. I make sure to pause it. I'm not that good at editing. I mean, I say I'm not that good at editing like I do edit. Eventually, I'd like to learn. I think it would be a useful skill, especially because I'm sure most of this video probably isn't the most entertaining. I just try to make it not go on for too long. I do wonder if y'all enjoy... Well, if someone's gotten this far in, I think they do enjoy my aimless wandering and rambling to the audience. I'm already used to talking to myself. I'm one of those kids that had the dream of being a YouTuber whenever I grew up. What in the... Bunch of azalea and moss carpets. Hey, antlerite. Interesting. Always gotta be collecting. Oh yeah, where was I with cold sweats too? Because, with the nether exploration, it's a little awkward, in my opinion. It works. I can definitely kind of get behind it, but it is a little awkward. Because whenever you go to the nether, yeah, you have to get cold. You have to get cold stuff. Ooh, I need these. I need these really bad, actually. Whoa. So I've got some general ideas of how this pack is going to play out. Stuff that I need. Ooh, salmon. Oh, I'm getting super lost and off topic. I do hope that my rambling is at least mildly entertaining. I have a habit of rambling. Ooh. Ooh? That's a new one. Need some heating from this ability. Heat resistance and fiery dread. Silly. That will definitely help. One boot. Single. The cold's getting to me as well. Well, hey. Handy smoker. Suppose I can do what I'm best at now. Sitting around and talking while I warm up. Now that I've said that, I've lost all my topics. But yeah. Oh. I suppose I can wrap back around to cold sweats again. I know it's taken me like 7 minutes just to get back around to this topic. Usually you gotta use water skins in order to get into the nether. Or, technically, I believe the main way. The main way is to get a Heart of the Sea and turn it into a Soul Sprig Lantern. I mean, I have other reasons to also want a Heart of the Sea. Of course, there's conduits, but I'm kind of 50-50 on conduits. It's mostly the gun bench and modifiers. Also, hey, what? They changed it? Okay. Dang. A lot more of these used to actually need the Heart of the Sea. You know what? I'm happy about that. Uh-oh. Where? How? I was not expecting this. I was not expecting the redcoats to be here. Ow. Well, your patience has paid off. Here's that action that you probably were craving. It's not going to be much action, I think. It's just this kernel. I'm gonna die. Shit. Ah. Oh, and my game crashed. Insufficient memory, it says. It's probably the recording and the lack of restarting my laptop and the shaders. Oh well. Well, I suppose I hate to just cut it off now, but this is probably where I'll leave it. It was fun playing. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Maybe next time there will be a little bit more action and we can get revenge on that colonel. That bastard. And hopefully we can find the train again. Well, I'll see you all around.